Have you ever wondered what the future holds for the courier transportation business? Well, buckle up because the ride ahead is nothing short of thrilling. The courier transportation business is at an exciting crossroads right now. Current trends indicate a significant surge in the industry, with projections showing a bright future from 2023 to 2028. The United States, a major player in the global courier scene, is witnessing an uptick in growth, and the international stage is mirroring this trend too. The reasons? Rapid technological advancements, increased e-commerce activities, and a growing need for swift, reliable delivery services. In this fast-paced world, courier transportation serves as the vital link connecting businesses to customers, making its role more important than ever. So, if you've been contemplating a career in this dynamic industry, now is the time. The courier transportation industry is not just surviving, it's thriving. It's time to dive in and understand why. What's driving this explosive growth in the courier transportation business? First and foremost, let's talk about the e-commerce boom. As more and more people turn to online shopping, the demand for quick, reliable delivery services has skyrocketed. In the United States alone, e-commerce sales are expected to reach over $600 billion by 2028, a steady rise from just over $500 billion in 2023. But it's not just the United States. The e-commerce wave is a global phenomenon. The worldwide e-commerce sales are projected to hit a staggering $4 trillion by the end of 2028, nearly double the $2 trillion of 2023. Then we have technological advancements. The introduction of AI, drones, and robotics into the courier transportation business is not only streamlining operations but also expanding capabilities. With the ability to deliver goods more efficiently and access hard-to-reach areas, technology is broadening the horizons for the courier transportation business. Next up is the need for quick deliveries. In today's fast-paced world, consumers want their purchases delivered in the blink of an eye. And courier companies are stepping up to meet this demand, offering same-day and even one-hour delivery services. Finally, let's not forget globalization. As businesses expand their reach across borders, the need for robust courier services to transport goods internationally is increasing. These factors combined are creating a perfect storm for unprecedented growth in the courier transportation business. So, why is now the perfect time to join the courier transportation business? Well, let's take a look at the landscape. The current growth in the industry is not just a trend, it's a seismic shift, presenting a world of opportunities for business owners, owner-operators, and drivers alike. You see, the demand for courier services is skyrocketing. People are busy, and the convenience of having goods delivered right to their doorstep is not just a luxury anymore, it's becoming the norm. And this isn't just about pizza delivery. We're talking everything from groceries to tech gadgets to furniture. Furthermore, the rise of online shopping is fueling this demand. More and more people are choosing to click a button rather than step into a store. In fact, by 2028, it's projected that over 3/4 of all retail sales will be made online. That's a lot of packages that need delivering, but it's not just about demand. Advances in technology are making the job of a courier easier and more efficient than ever before. From route optimization software that finds the quickest paths, to drones that can make deliveries in hard-to-reach places, the courier transportation business is evolving at a breakneck pace. This perfect storm of increasing demand and technological advancement is creating a golden opportunity. So if you've been on the fence about joining this booming industry, let me tell you, there's never been a better time to get involved in the courier transportation business. So, what's the bottom line? We've traveled together through the landscape of the courier transportation business, and it's clear that the road ahead is paved with potential. The next 5 years, from 2023 to 2028, are projected to be a time of significant growth and expansion. This is not just a local phenomenon, but a global trend, with the United States leading the charge. The reasons for this growth are diverse, ranging from advancements in technology to a shift in consumer behavior. People are ordering more online, businesses are expanding their reach, and the courier transportation industry is stepping up to meet these demands. It's a time of innovation and opportunity. There's a surge in demand for owner-operators, drivers, and business owners within the courier transportation sector. The future of courier transportation is bright and filled with opportunities. Will you be a part of it?